How to create a PayPal account. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch your web browser on your device. Click search bar at top of the screen and type in paypal.com. Press enter on the keyboard. And you will land on this official interface of PayPal where you can click on sign up for free button or sign up button at top right corner of the screen. Now in this section, you can easily input your email address and then click the next button. Now enter the mobile number, but before that you have to select your country's code and your region. And after that, click on the next button. After that, you can confirm that you are authorized to use this number and agree to receive text messages, so it may apply courier fees. Now you have to create 8 or more characters password and use two of the following like letters, number or symbol. Now on this personal info section you have to enter your nationality, first name, middle name, last name and date of birth and click the next button. Now you have to enter your address line 1 and address line 2 and check mark this box in order to agree the user agreement and privacy statement of people. Now click agree and create account button. Now you have to choose whether you want to shop or send money, or else you can click on not now as well. And after that you have to link a payment method. You can link a debit or credit card, but you can skip this step by clicking not now. And congratulations, you will successfully create a PayPal account after that. So that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.